I'll read you a section.
Hey, yo. Welcome. Thank you for coming. This is a good video because I am showing you a new Vital pack that I got that is really cool and some new techniques to actually make your presets unique and awesome. This is a Black Lotus Audio Future Riddim pack that I want to show you guys, and I basically resampled it so that we can make some new sounds. And I kind of want to just show you how you can think outside the box when it comes to these presets. Let's check out what I got so far.
You're no match for me.
Woo! Okay. All right. So that's what we got going on so far. Now there's basically two different patches here that I used with Vital. So this first section that I'm going to show this video, and then I have the second section, which is like the sustain. This is really cool, but I'll show you that in the next video. This bass that I'm going to show you here is this offbeat bass, which I play a lot in this section. So I'll show you here. It's going to be this. These offbeat little chugs are really good to keep the mix moving and keep the song flowing. Now, that sound came from this sound. Now, that's the original Vital patch. And what I did was I put a reverb, this convolver gun, and then I also put a loud rack. This is the Dripment Loud 1. All the other sounds and presets that are being played in this song are also from my previous videos as well, if you guys want to check those out. And this full project will be in my Patreon as well. So if you want like this whole drop and everything and all the sounds, that'll be in my Patreon. Basically, if you get this sound and you put down some MIDI, this is D3, we can open up the patch. And if you see here, we just picked the Black Lotus Audio, Machima, and we chose the bass Electric Field. Now with this bass, you can use this LFO to actually change the speed. So right now it's on 1/4, but you could change it to like 1/16 or 1/8, but I chose 1/4. So you can change the preset as you need. And you can even go over here and turn off the reverb if needed. The reverb may be too much. I like to add my own afterwards. So then add my own reverb, but then we add the loud rack, which is OTT, saturators, EQ, glue compressor, and then a JST clip to clip it. The OTTs and the saturators are the same, and they both look like this. Soft clip on. And yep, that is the loud rack. That loud rack will get the sound louder. And then what we'll do is we'll resample it. So you go here to your audio track. You change this to resampling. You make sure that this is soloed, the sound we just made. And then we're going to record on here. And then when you record, you'll get something like this. It'll look like this. So that is right here. And then what you want to do is you want to make it cool. So instead of the original sound, we made it sound like this. And it actually just sounds like there's one of them. And the way we did that is we used the Ableton warping mode. So we used texture, grain size all the way up. The pitch is -20, which is making that cool if we changed it. Makes a big difference. So you mess with the pitch and also your warp modes to make a new sound. On this, we have no post-processing. So then what I did was I resampled that again. And then I got this piece. This long piece here. You see down here? Sounds like this. So then what we did was we shortened it, make it a little blip like this. And then I double clicked it, and then we can start warping it again. So I pitched it down -7 to make this cool little short bass sound. Then we go here, we add another loud rack. This is the Muerte loud rack that I just created on the last video. If you guys want to see how I make this parallel processing, that gets it loud. Then we can make a repeat section. On this one, we just duplicated the sample. but we made this one -12 instead of -7. Just make a little variation. Now if we go over here, we have them layered together on top of each other. So we're adding this transient plus this sound to create a cool offbeat with the other sound. And when I'm repitching it and stuff, I'm not really necessarily paying too much attention to the key. It could be in key, but also if it's not in key, it could add some dissonance. So don't get too caught up in that. It's good to know your music theory, but also you can break the rules if needed. But that really is how to make an awesome resampled bass out of a cool Vital preset. It's really helpful. You can make basically unlimited sounds using these techniques. So get to practicing. Make sure that you make those bangers. Hit me up in my Discord if you guys want to chill. Thank you guys for the support. You guys have been awesome. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget, all the goodies are in the description. Have a good night. Real glam Dripment.
Still can't believe it's not booger.